Hi friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Lynn and I'm going to do a little flip through of this cute little mini album that I made using the Baking Memories 6x6 paper pad that comes in this month's Not Too Shabby box of the month. I decorated the album pages with the coordinating ephemera that come in this box, and as well some of the stamps from the 3 different 4x6 stamp sets that are also part of the subscription box. Now, the subscription box does have a second paper pad called Let's Cook. And I did make a little mini album featuring this paper pad as well, but you're going to find that flip through over on the Not Too Shabby channel. So if you want to check out that little album, pop on over to Not Too Shabby and you'll find my flip through over there. This is a little sneaky peek at the workshop that I will be teaching at the Cottage Rose Craft Retreat hosted by Not Too Shabby. And if you're watching this after the retreat has already taken place, then you'll be able to watch the replay of my workshop to see how to make one of these little mini albums for yourself. And if you're watching this before the retreat takes place, below in the description box, I'm going to leave a link to how to register for the retreat. It's totally free to attend. So you can come watch the 7 classes, plus Jamie is doing a live stream kickoff event the day before the retreat takes place. And you can also craft along, whether you want to pick up the exclusive Cottage Rose Retreat kit or you want to craft along with what you have in your stash. You are more than welcome to do that. But if you are interested in the retreat kit, I'm going to leave a link to that in the description box as well, because it is exclusive. So once it sells out and it won't be coming back. So let me show you this cute little album that I made. So I've just got a simple ribbon closure, and this is such a small little album. I wanted to really keep everything pretty simple. It would function really nicely as maybe a little bit of a brag book, and you could definitely decorate this up some more if you'd like to decorate the cover more. But I figure with the ribbon taking up so much of the front, decorating it really just covers quite a lot of it once the ribbon closure is on top of that. So then flipping inside, I made a little bit of pattern paper with one of the stamp sets here, and then I stamped out a sentiment from one of the stamp sets as well. This is sort of my title page. And then this little micro album, I like to think that it could be used as a brag book. So it's really great to put little photos here. I've got a placeholder. It is glued down. And I put this little stamp is something that I found out of my stash, and I thought it would be good to just give a clue to whoever gets this little mini album that they could place a photo here. And the thing is that the reason why I glued down the photo mat entirely is because they can always cut a photo just slightly smaller, and then they would have like a double matte effect. So they would have one frame of white surrounding their photo and then the pattern paper. And then if you include the page itself, it would be like 4 mattes around their photo. So it just gives them options. So they can cover this white placeholder entirely, or cut something smaller so that some of that white is visible. And then with the ephemera, I have actually left this so that it becomes a little bit of a tuck spot. So if they want to do like a little bit of journaling on some scrap paper, they could do a little bit of journaling and just tuck that in here. So that's an option to actually have some more places to tuck things to decorate, or maybe keep small little keepsakes, like maybe little tickets or things like that. So I'll just continue to flip through. Some of the pages I just glued down the ephemera entirely, and then others I left open so that they can be used as tuck spots. I love this stamp set. I just really love the whole concept of, this is a recipe for friendship, and it includes 2 cups of respect, 3 cans of listening, big scoop of laughter, 2 cups of support, pinch of caring, a cup of good time. Mix well and enjoy. It's just so sweet. So I really love that. If you keep on going, there's more spots for photos, more text spots for additional things, and it's quite a little chunky album. A lot of times the hardest thing about making a mini album is the spine and the binding, and one of the trickier things is getting your album to lay completely flat. And if you look at this opens completely flat. So it's really fabulous, really easy to see the whole spread when you open it up. And it's just a very darling little pocket album with its own little simple closure. So I love making these little albums because it's not a lot of paper to decorate it. They are really cute and fast to put together. And in my workshop, I'll actually show you how to take this album up a notch and create some fun additional ways to put this together. I wanted to keep this one pretty simple, just as a little taste of the workshop that I'll be teaching. And again, if you want to check out the other version that I made featuring the second paper pad that comes in this month's box of the month, then pop on over to the Not Too Shabby YouTube channel and you'll see me flip through that version. Thanks for checking out my video today. And again, I'm going to leave links to the Cottage Rose Craft Retreat. There's a registration link in the description box, and as well, there is a link to the retreat kit. Now, I'm also going to leave in the description box a discount code so that if you haven't bought the retreat kit yet, you can actually get 15% off using the coupon code that's in the description box. So check that out and grab yourself a deal. And until next time, happy crafting and have a fabulous day. Bye.